Hello everyone. Welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make mango salsa. It's a very simple recipe, yet delicious, and it'll be your new go-to salsa. To make mango salsa, I'll be using 2 ripe mangoes, 1 jalapeno, finely chopped red onion, couple of mini red peppers, some cilantro, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of lime juice. First, I will start with cutting mangoes. I'm using ripe mangoes in salsa because I want salsa to have a little sweetness to it. Also, ripe mangoes are juicier. Cut mangoes from all sides that carries the most pulp. Separate mango skin and pulp and dice mango pulp into medium size. You could also spend time carving more pulp out if you want. You do not need to use fully ripe mango, it's totally your choice. If you are using nicely ripe mangoes, like I'm using here, then you can also easily peel off the skin. It makes the work super easy. Alright, so now I'm going to chop jalapeno. This is totally your preference. If you really love spicy salsa, use more jalapeno or leave the seeds in. I am going to take out seeds because I can always add Tabasco sauce on top when I'm ready to eat. It tastes amazing. Next is mini red peppers. I will finely chop these peppers, so remove the seeds and finely chop them. You can use orange and yellow mini peppers as well, but because this is mango salsa, the main ingredient is mango and not peppers. And now I'll finely chop red onion. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post, and do hit that like button down below for support. Any salsa is incomplete without cilantro. So roughly chop some cilantro. Avocado is totally optional to use. I am going to use it for garnishing. I'm just going to slice avocado, or you can dice them up and then add directly into salsa. I did end up adding avocado later during mealtime. In a bowl, add 2 diced mangoes, 1 finely chopped jalapeno, 2 finely chopped mini red peppers. I'm just going to use about a 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion and half cup of chopped cilantro. Into this, add 3 tablespoons of lime juice, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix everything. Made with ripe mangoes and veggies, this mango salsa is perfect for summer picnic, summer salad, or serve it as an appetizer with some tortilla chips when you have friends and family over for a meal. Transfer mango salsa into a serving dish or a bowl. Top it with some sliced avocado and serve mango salsa with some tortilla chips on the side. Hope you like this video and do give it a try. Do leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.